Alright, Scott, you might be in trouble. Tim's taking over. Haven't ya? What do you think of that tractor, Tim? Didn't take him long to find it.
Wow.
Think of that little bucket, Tim. That's not your tractor. That's not your tractor.
Who is it?
That belongs to Scott.
What dog? Why not ours?
Because we don't need that. He's always wanted one.
Maybe next time can you buy this one?
Buy this one? No. No, we just hauled it for him.
Mommy, tomorrow, Mommy don't get this.
You think so? He's pretty impressed.
Yeah. Bumper. What? Don't do the dumb truck.
Yeah.
Come on.
I told Scott we were gonna go spread some hen poop with it. Look at that chicken poop.
Later?
No, we won't do that.
Next time?
We gotta put it in the barn. We gotta clean a spot out for it, put it away.
Can we clean it right now?
Yep. We gotta clean a spot out. I gotta move the egg coat out of the way. Baler, and we'll put it in behind all that stuff. Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Now we're doing it here in about 10 minutes.
No.
We'll unload that bush off. Huh?
I don't want it to so.
Oh, I gotta move the egg coat out of the way.
Why don't put it over there?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause.
Is it always doing dirty?
Yep.
Why?
Cause we gotta move it.
I'm going in the house. Dad?
We're not starting right now, Tim.
Dad?
What?
This baby should have an engine. It has an engine.
Yeah, it's got a little engine, doesn't it?
That is engine. It doesn't have this.
Oh, Scott comes, we'll sell him some good grease.
And this one.
He can get it all greased up.
Dad, where's the key?
Right, I kept the key. You worry about the key. You rascal.
Dad, we're coming now.
I'm gonna. Yep, we gotta move it out of the way.
Okay.
Nice little tractor though, isn't it, Tim? Just the right size for you.
Too taller.
Just taller.
When
Hear that, Scott? It's too tall. That's too tall a tractor.
we need to make it big. When you make it big and that side would try big high. Watch. Watch it. Oh yeah. Oh go there.
You be good. That's enough of that. Alright, we gotta put it away so it's ready. Where are you going? Where are you off to? Okay. Anyhow, that's basically it. I gotta unload this mower and fire it up and put her away. So, we'll talk at you later.